x if the average of x, 2x, 4x, and 5x is 120. I'm going to do this problem a little more traditional way, or really the proper way of doing this problem. Even though you can, if you want, you can use the answer choices, because one of those answer choices has to be the answer. So plug that each individual answer choice for the x and see which one gives you the average of 120. So that's definitely one way of doing it. But let's understand what average is. Average is the sum divided by the number of items, let's call it, or number of things. So over here I have x, 2x, 4x, and 5x. These are my numbers, right? In order to find the average of these numbers, I'm going to add them all up. I'm going to do x plus 2x plus 4x plus 5x, and then I'm going to have to divide it by the number of items, the number of things. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 of them. So I'm going to divide it by 4, and that's going to give me the average. And this problem tells me the average is 120. So now I'm just going to play this out just like an algebra problem and solve for my x. So multiply these sides by 4. Now I'm going to have the 4's cancel out, and x plus 2x is 3x, plus 4x is 7x, and 7x plus 5x is 12x. So 12x will equal 480, and now divide both sides by 12. That cancels out, and you're going to be left with x equals 480 divided by 12, which should be 40. So x is 40. And if you went through the answer choices, and the answer choices were 10, 20, 25, and 40, you could have plugged and chugged. So basically you would have plugged this 10 for these x's. See if once you plug that in, that gives you an average of 120. If it didn't, then you would have moved on to 20, then 25, and then 40. And if you do plug in 40 for these x's, it will give you the average of 120. Or you can kind of really use the proper algebraic way to do it and really solve for your x. And I think it's important to know how to do this problem this way, because if the answer choices weren't there, you'd just really be left guessing some numbers. So this is a pretty straightforward problem. Make sure you understand how to do this, because this is the basic foundation of the average problems that the SAT will test you on. So x is 40.